Allow me to change shirts. I might have done this one before, but at the risk of being redundant, let's put it on the board. So let's make this a real or reels challenge. Let's do that. So let me not frustrate you. Let's find the HCF of this and this, and then divide. Let's see if that makes sense. Now if I divide this by 4, I get 112. But what I know about 112 is that if I divide that by 2, I would get 56. But then 56 is 8 times 7. But then this is 8 times 8 times 7. So now that's a bit easier to break down. So 222, 222, 7. And then I forgot to put the 10 for this. So 2, let's just put 2 here and 5 here, and that should wait. Right, that's even better than that. Right? And then 222 here, 222 there. Just in case we never remember. Right? So now we can find the HCF for this. So why not? Now, funny story, I probably should have put in 152. Yeah. So the question is the 152 divisible by 8? The short answer, I suspect, is yes. So, 1 smaller than all of that, so we're going to put 0. 15 is only bigger than 8. Now, 8 plus 7 will give you 15, so you're going to put the 7 behind the 15. Now, that looked like 72, so how many 8s give you 72? Okay, so that look a little bit like 9. So, in this case, it would definitely mean that we can divide all of this by the number 8. 2 by 2 by 2, 2 by 2 by 2, 2 by 2 by 2. The HCF of all of these three numbers is 8. Alright, so let me tell you what this means. This means that the number we'll be left with for this is going to be 15. This is going to be 56, and this is going to be 19. Okay. Now mind you, we have to be careful. So let me just, let's do that. Yeah. So 15 replaces 120. 56 replaces the 448. This replaces the middle term. Right? So so this will be the x squared here. This will be the x. Yeah. So let's see if we can remember that. Let's see. Okay. You see how we went from that to this? Yeah. Alright, so now let's focus on this and this. We have 15 and 56. That's a lot easier to deal with, I promise. Alright, so 3 by 5 and this. Get married and have kids. 30 and 28 now go work. 70 and 12 now go work. 35 and 24 almost work. You're not going to believe what actually worked. Yep. Get rid of all of that. So there you go. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. How about that? 3 times 7. 21. Add 21 to this. There you go. This means the larger number is negative, so minus 40 is negative, and therefore we'll be replacing this minus 40x and that right there. Yeah. Oh yes. Seeing all of this? So bracket for this, both of them have 7. Alright, 7 3s, 7 8s. So the HCF for that and that is 7. Alright? You might as well put the x with it, so just call it plus 7x right there. Yeah. Divide this by this, you get a 3 right there. Divide this by this, you get a minus 8x right there. Copy and paste. And 15 divided by 3 is going to be 5. 2 more brackets again. Red on the left, black on the right. And now you can double check to see if everything is right. Do the distribution, and if you end up with this, that leads you to this, then that should be correct. So, thanks for helping me to stay consistent. Press that button and I'll help you to honor your commitments. That was all.